Today we're gonna open 18 packs of Ascended Heroes. Oh yeah, brother. Do a Charizard Max, good luck. I'm gonna open up some bangers. Fan Rotam, Routes, Ryalu, Volibee, Carbank, Urban Trainer, Enz Vanillux, cool. Cool, Swirlix, Team Rocket Diglett. And an Okie Dokie. Right, on to the next one. Zigzagoon, cool. Medicham, Dratini, cool. Snorunt, Bailey, Delcatty, cool. Acarola's Mischief, cool. Dustox, Hollow, cool. Hoopa, Reverse Hollow Pokeball, cool. Tapu Koko, cool. Stunfisk, Galarian Linoon, Erica's Oddish, Routes, Mighty Yuna, cool. Nighttime Mine, Slurpuff, Hops Phantump, cool. Oh, Mawile, and we got Hops Pinchurin EX, very cool. And we got a holographic energy, very nice. Next one. Rotom, Tepig, Pancham, Puccina, Sorlock, cool. Carmeleon, Air Balloon, Team Rocket's Tarantula, cool. Pecker Hunt, Hunt, ooh, Cinderace EX, very cool. It's another banger. Another one. Psyduck.
Cool.
Iono's Wattrel. Marill.
Cool.
Enzora. Air Balloon. Larry's Staravia. Clefable.
Cool.
Fanrotam, Reverse Hollow. Team Rocket's Spidops. Very cool. Colossal.
Cool.
Totodile. Pokepad.
Cool.
Team Rocket's Diglett. Wurmple. Bongoro.
Cool.
Team Rocket's Factory. Very nice. Dustox.
Cool.
Light Ball. Very nice. Carkle.
That's really cool.
And we got Larry's Staraptor. Scorbunny. Surfer. Cool. Snom. Scraggy. Cynthia's Spirit Bomb. Cool. Team Rocket's Mimikyu. Dragonair. Very nice. Beautifly. Holographic. Very cool. Galarian Obstagoon. Very cool. We got Tapu Koko again. Here goes another one. Numo. Tynamo. Mischievous. Cascoon. Frostmoth. Hunter. Lily's Determination. Cool. Helioptile. Holographic. Cool. Rayquaza. Very cool. Holographic. And another Colossal. Team Rocket's Tarantula. Ghastly. Swirlix. Ends Vanillish. Pignite. Team Rocket's Proton. Cool. Heliolisk. Very cool. Ooh. That's a rare illustrator, Galarian Obstagon. Very cool. And a Chikorita. Ooh, and it ends Zekrom. Very cool.
Mais là, je prends ton biscuit.
Very nice boy so far. Let's keep it going.
Okay. Then what are we saying?
Ralph's,
I see.
Ryalu, Vullaby, Buddy Buddy Poppin', ooh, Clefable, Mighty Yena, Nighttime Mine, Chikorita, Enz Vanillux, and Lunatone. Cool.
I like that one.
Team Rocket's Meow, Budew, Counter Game, Pawniard, Pongoro, Team Rocket's Transceiver, Pignite, Scraggy Holographic, cool, Numel, oh, Mega Lucario EX, very nice pull, very cool. It's going in a sleeve right now. We're getting down to the final pass. Got an excited nugget in the background. Enz Vanillite, Larry's Kamala, Dreepy, cool. Chikorita, Slurpuff, Team Rocket's Energy, cool. Bayleaf, Hoopa, Score Bunny, Team Rocket's Executor, cool. Let's do another one. Salandit, cool. Chikorita again, Night Stretcher, Larry's Kamala again, Enz Vanillux again, Premium Power Pro, cool. Drampa, cool, never seen that one. Noivat, cool. Togetic, cool. King Gambit, very cool. Let's do another one. Ghastly, Snorlax, Enz Vanillish again, Skitty, cool. Salazzle, Lily's Determination, cool. Bayleaf, oh nice. Pikachu, very cool. Tynamo, very cool. Miss Magius, cool. Vullaby, Ethan Slugma, Buddy Buddy Possum, again, Togepi, Frostmoth, Haunter, Lily's Determination of Gloom, Erica's Gloom. Whoa! A rare Illustrator Dreepy. Nice. Very cool. And a Lunatone. Very, very cool. I'm gonna put that in sleeve right now. Very neat. Cynthia's Gibble, Wurmple, Raboot, Sneasel, Bennett, Irving, Dustox, Team Rocket's Execute, cool, Ethan Slugma, oh very nice, Pokeball, and Ends Reshiram, very cool. It's a second Ends Reshiram. A couple packs left. Let's see what we get. Stunfisk, Galarian Lanoon, Erica Zavish, Ralts, and Darmanitan. Cool. Erica's Weeping Bell, Premium Power Pro, Ghastly. Oh wow. We got Team Rocket's Meowth and we got Boss's Orders Special Illustrator. Very cool. And we got a Hollow Basic Energy. Alright, we only got one pack left. Let's see what we got. Curlia, Ethan Slugma, Pawniard, Team Rocket's Murkow, Larry Staravia, Ends PPO, Cynthia's Gabite, Mega Signal, Hollow, cool, Pignite, and Tapu Koko again. Cool. Well, that's everything. That's the end of my video. Hope you had a good time. Enjoy. Bye.